Hello everyone, hello. Good evening everyone, hello. I'll just check my audio and everything. I will begin. So today's plan is not to deploy it on Vercel because currently I have other projects on Vercel, on the free plan at least, and the paid plan is of course my paid apps are working, so I don't have capacity to upload this project. I think it's over the limit already. So what we are going to do is let's try searching lean cloud and how you can maximize your token usage. We'll make a repository, we'll make a npm packages if someone wants to, or maybe a CLI helper. Okay, so yeah, let me just check everything is on point and everything. Mhm. First of all, what I'll do is I have to change the name of the live stream as well, for at least SEO purposes. Let me okay. So we'll begin just in 2-3 minutes. All right. So today I'll just see if there's any error or anything while I run that Claudient, and then we'll work on Lean Cloud. Yeah, let me just search maybe a name or something as well. Lean Cloud is also fine, I believe. Yeah, serves the purposes, and then just by name only, most of the people would know what that is all about. Then. Mhm. A lot is going on in software world as well as in 3D world. So I hope everyone knows Bamboo Lab shoes as well. It's quite interesting. I didn't knew about much about the AGL licensing, but yeah, that seems to be the case. I'm not sure will things change if I just remove, all the tags and everything, because in my other channel, for other purposes, when I don't have that tag in the live stream, the audience is usually much greater. Okay, might be this is a new channel, of course, people are discovering, so yeah, let it be. Okay, deal with Claude, with that backend. If you want to launch product with us, let us know. I'll keep maybe the mic a little bit closer. Okay. Okay, it didn't gain any traction like itself, so I'll promote it over my socials as well. Okay, but yeah, this is not very sufficient, right? 19 skills, experience, 7 hooks, 5 languages, MIT free. This requires a lot of things because a lot of things can happen with Claude. Okay, let's use Tray. Yeah, we have partnered with an organization, so we would like free kit, so let us know in the comments. I think $300 worth of credits. No, I don't want to upgrade. Yeah, last time we had this error, right? So I didn't touch on the system, so that's why the last conversation is still there from one day before yesterday. Okay, thanks for saying this. Okay, okay, we were doing the research as well, right? What people want a new feature, so we'll do content developing that, then we'll see. Uh, Lean Cloud. Meanwhile, I search, okay, it's getting from this video, May 26. Let's see how popular the video is. No, not that much. right. Yeah, so my medium page is also there, so I'm a little bit less active currently, uh, but yes, soon I'm going to be. Actually, I had a lot of drafts. If you see, there are 264 drafts, but that is from 2025 or maybe early 26. Things have already outdated, so we'll begin, fresh perspective and everything. And for the video longer version video, what I'm going to put on my YouTube, it then we're going to have a blog attached, so like this one, from months to plummeted and twin projects, why cloud management changes everything. See, I didn't promote it, that's why it's a little bit less number, but otherwise others were good. Why? Okay, cloud management, so it's more like personal AI. So yeah, my goal is to of course have at least 10,000 also here by the year end, and we are going to achieve if I, of course follow my timeline which I've set. Okay, so it's very easy. Medium.com slash at the rate TSHAR underscore AGGARWAL. Okay, let's go. So let's read it through, and let's not jump onto things. Redmc added restart cloud to activate it. Once restarted, I will be able to search directly in the session. Of course, got it. Here's what research reveals things. Cloud, okay. I'll just restart first of all, then I'll maybe take a screenshot as well for the cost. Yeah, I'm compiling screenshot for, of course, long-term, long version videos. Mm. I didn't like how it takes screenshot in Mac, right? I know I didn't have to restart Tray, but I will do. Sometimes this third party, or I'm not sure Tray is Chinese or not, so they do require a restart. By ByteDance, so yeah, kind of TikTok. Operates out of Singapore. Influence by future ByteDance. No. Is it me or anyone else is also using Tray? I think it's time. I think I will be changing and working more with rap. But yeah, why I use this or maybe cursor, I stopped using it. A lot of limitations. More than coding. Tray solo. Yeah, heard about it but never explored. Solar.tray.in. So it's more of a what more than coding we have what? Uh, when the their agents were really good at that time. What's the current pricing? Who's going to buy this? Full remote desktop file access from your phone. Okay. You're more of a creeper in your daily life. Oh, I have to read this, right? Approve this. Browser automation skills require number one. Requires capability browser automation skill. Browser use is still there. Browser use. Of course, it's still there, but just how popular it is still. Uh, no, okay, they are not very active. Latest release or April last month. Popular browser reviews. Does it have anything new? The way I use the stuff. Okay, they have Batch skills, parallel registration, decompose larger into 20-30 units, pawn background. Okay, okay, we didn't add yeah, this right. This was okay, ENV doctor, hook skill. Oh, this is very good. ENV doctor. Yeah, when everything is, there are so many APIs right now, so many services related. Even before plot starts, okay, missing EN variables, wrong node versions, broken depths, okay. Okay, self-improving skills, so sort of harmless agents. We can have some sort of harmless agents already in this meta skill pattern. Token rate limit dashboard. Okay, this is of course required by everyone. Right, so let's say if you were shipping apps, so you also require internal tracking, right? Maybe you are not using just one API. Of course, you are not using one API. No one uses with just one API. We have need to have a backup as well, and we need to have maybe other models as well, and other service providers. So this dashboard sort of thing is very crucial, and it's going to be crucial. Let's give me an idea. Let's make. I know I already some there tools some there, but we can just connect your all the API and it will generate a single unified API. Then you can use in your app. But I'm thinking of making something more. I'll just maybe write. Okay, I think I can use mic this way as well, right? So that it don't disturb you very much. Or let me use the magnet. I think that would work best. Just give me a minute. I need to find the magnet then. Here it is. Oh, DJI 4P is really awesome. I'm going to buy as soon as it launches. Yeah, they have launched in Cannes Film Festival in France. France. They know their audience. And I just read an article. Actually, I'm also very interested in this side of cameras as well. Mirrorless quality types handle cameras. So I just heard Huawei, no, not Huawei, Oppo and Vivo. These are the Chinese, giant companies as well. So they are also launching almost. So almost 3P, sorry, 3P, not Pocket 3 sort of model. Let me just search and see. I hope the audio is better now. I'll continue to do like this then. Okay. Pocket 3 style. Yeah, it's going to be really awesome. Maybe I'll if I have requirement, I'll try to buy if I have of course money to budget to buy this, or at least I'll do a comparison video for all of them maybe soon. Let's hope for the best. We get so many uh, people supporting our channel that I'm able to buy this and share with you the tech side of mine as well. Yeah, I have a lot of weird stuff I could show you, not on my table, but yeah, tech stuff is rare things. All the LG G series I have, I was a huge fan of LG. Hmm, of course, someone should buy LG mobile again and start developing this. Okay, I think the style Oppo is like little bit copied, or I would say not that great. But this circular thing for this Vivo is really good. I think this design is going to take a little bit more than this, but the color is good for Oppo. And there's a light as well for Vivo. Yeah, times are crazy. We have such good cameras on our cell phones. Still, this bigger companies want to take share some part in this Pocket 3 revolution. Okay, I wrote okay Pocket 4P. What is the price for 4P? Please not be more than 800. Please, please. 4 is not that great. Okay, not possible. It's showing me Indian prices because I have set my VPN to India currently. Great. This website is very bad. This not designed by them. How it can? What? I purchased for 800 the combo creator combo. How they can? This is not a standard combo. Okay, not a creator combo. Okay, standard combo. So means this is okay. This is for 50,000 they have. So they must have then. Creator combo for Pocket 3 is this much. That's so sad. But the prices have come down after I purchased. Let's skip it. Otherwise, I'll go into camera and tech, and we'll be here all day. Let's do what we are here for. I wrote my idea right. I have that API dashboard. So as I'm exploring stuff, exploring articles, exploring news as well, AI news. So yeah, I'm also making some ideas. Let's see if they work or not, and so on. Okay, I hope the audio is better. Let me just check on my Mac speaker if the audio is much better. Okay, I hope the audio is better. Yeah, I think this audio is much better, right? Rather than me speaking over that. Okay, let's proceed. Currently, Cloud architecture patterns that is going architecture patterns are going crazy on LinkedIn, right? Everyone is just making patterns, and they're just saying their folder structure, but they're just copying from each other. Yeah, I'll just show you my feed, right? Live feed. Why it doesn't want to go through? Yeah, I just saw that N10 guy. Yeah, where are all the N10 guys, right? Just a note, everyone. So if you want to connect with me till 25,000, till I have that many connection, I'm going to accept everyone. After that, I'm going to be very selective because then I'll have just 5,000 left, and it's gaining popularity, of course. So let's see what I currently have. Apologies. 23,559. So these are, some of them are follow, some of them are connection, most of them are connections, of course. All right, then let me check on my laptop. One of my app is under development, running as well. I was just testing it. Right. Okay. I shouldn't have said that. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. So we are working on this tool, Better Talk Now. So it's already public, like in the meeting you can check the team meeting, of course, but not public repository, but public that we are going to name this. Okay, already everything is chart. These are the old repositories. I think I checked on my phone. I'll just accept everything. Yeah, what's new in AI? Translation for and parallel. I'll just keep the npm publish. uh, do I want npm publish or not right now? I think okay, I'll just use this only. Okay, I can't copyright like every other key. I'll just keep it here. After the session I'm going to delete this. Okay, it is now going to translate in just one general purpose agent. Okay, otherwise it was using very local agent like for all languages. I am thinking this is going to be a little bit rushed translation, because if it's every one agent is working on one translation, that is going to be near to perfect translation. All right. I think I'm going to switch to a normal webcam from tomorrow. I think there's RAM issues because of the iron webcam and everything else running, and of course OBS is also hungry. I wish we could listen to some great music while we are doing this. So I'll maybe I'll what I'll do is just give me a second. I have this uh, epidemic subscription, so I'll just use music from them. Oh, I have not connected my speaker, so I'll just use my Mac mini speaker, or maybe cell phone speaker is also fine. Okay, but then I can't play because it's not in my cell phone logged in, so I'll just play it here. Okay, I can't run on this because I'll just run it on my laptop. Why? Because very weird reason, because I'm using my pocket. Oh my god, let me just first of all download that music over. The reason is you see this what is this, mic 2 or something, right? So this is actually working on Bluetooth with my Mac, and then the Bluetooth here thinks that is a headset, so it will run the music, try to run music here. What is, yeah, I'm seeing. Let me just upload that. It's their live production music. Let's, why I'm not seeing this then? Okay, here it is. Let me just download this, then we'll play it on laptop. Sound might not be that great, but at least we'll have some background and we don't have this silence, right? If it were a live session, then the need was not there. Let's hope it's downloaded. How much time it will going to take? I'll just wait. Oh man. Okay, it is going to take some time. readme generated the models already. Okay. 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 I could have done this as well. Let me add in media source in mm, background music. Okay, can you hear background music? Let me just I hope this voice is much better or music is okay. If it's much louder, then let me know. There's going to be repetition because I'm seeing in OBS. I hope this voice is much better or music is. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, I did not need to download that then on this. Now you'll have some musics as well. So it's just some playlist of all the top and epidemic sounds. So okay. I hope the music is mild enough and it's not getting any disturbance. I hope the music is mild enough and it's not getting any disturbance. right. Some of the music are great in Epidemic and some of them are outdated. Great. Okay, Claudiant.9 is live. 345 the next 3 now. Great. I just checked the package as well. Okay, weekly download, so it was 200 something, now it's 671. Is someone really using it, or it's just while I'm running this it's downloading? No, it shouldn't be, right? Because I haven't downloaded any npm packages here, right? I'm developing this might be all the automated stuff for some organization is doing. Okay, so okay, will it not? 7 versions. Okay, okay, so 0.5 downloaded this many times. So yeah, someone is downloading them or testing it out. Great. So we haven't even said publicly that we have made, and still 671 downloads in 2-3 days. That is good. Okay, what do we have in setting? GitHub Actions, CI/CD, Circle CI. No PRs because no one knows about it currently. Okay, what is this username invite? Might be another member of the team. Publishing request to FA, another FA tokens. Okay, got it. Oh my god, I think my mic was on mute and I was not speaking for quite long. Apologies, 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 100 apologies. Oh my god. So much we discussed Mr. AI and so on, Master AI, whatever you want to pronounce it. So yeah, we gave a deep research. So I'll just maybe walk you through again all the skills we required. So some priority we set it on. Okay, so research finding documented 70% of problem. That's why obvious was minimized and I didn't realize it. Okay, so 70% problem and why the vibe coding needs an AI eligible stack. 2026 technology stack dominance, table Next.js, Drizzle, Betterauth, Railway, etc. MCP versus Cloud skills comparison validates our approach. LLM.text standard explanation, priority queue written in for the skill in order, Drizzle ORM, Betterauth, Versal AI SDK, MCP server builder, ShadGen UI deep, webhook security, railway deployment, Qualify self-hosted, uh, RBAC multi-tenant, LLM text standard, Master AI, Mastra AI, WAPS open SaaS, Northbank deploy. Okay, Coolify is still people using it. Oh, Coolify, yeah, people I think are using still. Coolify is good. Okay, yeah, that. Oh, okay. In August or September last year, 2025, I experimented a lot with Coolify. How can I forget this self-hosted app? I used to test it all together on this, and the cloud version is also really cheap. Ooh, pricing. Oh, yeah. See. The cloud version is $5 a month, connected on 2 servers. Coolify, right? And currently, what is also required: unlimited servers, unlimited deployment per server. Wow. Still additional per server, concurrent and Coolify manager infrastructure, free email alerts for Coolify events, community, and so on. Yeah, self-hosted, and they have just two versions, right? Coolify is required then, right? People do. Why I stopped using this Coolify then? Experiment. And open source towards our Korea. This is open source and free forever. Our philosophy, yes. And this should be, this type of things that people can, of course. Qualify, where is GitHub repo? Yeah, right, man, this is important. Yeah, 55,000 stars. I hope it should gain more. This is worth. Yeah, in 2025, I think after vibe coding era started, it only sparked. It's going good. Yeah, this is open source self-hosted platform as a service, PaaS, or into Versal Heroku native fly. Heroku, yeah, I remember everyone in 2021 and 2 was Heroku because it provided a free version. And I think in okay, that is great. My phone battery just died, so I'm just give me a minute. I'm going to charge my phone. Wow, I think every issue is happening today only. So bad. Now let me just charge my phone a little. I'll use a webcam or Pocket 3 from tomorrow onwards, definitely. Just streaming from webcam is not reliable for phones camera, not webcam. Using it as a webcam, it's not reliable. Let it charge. So you would see a green spot. Apologies for that. Currently very bad. I should have checked my battery before going live. 280 plus one click server on servers. I'll just ask one of my team. They just wanted to test the app out on AWS, before even testing anything. So definitely I'm not going to authorize that, so I'll just let them know, test on this, then if it's working, then on other things. That is weird. I'm phone. Okay, my notification on phone were mute. It didn't give me notification that battery is about to be over, so that's why it did. Yeah, the screen I'm currently also seeing just give me 2-3 more minutes. Uh, hope the music is good. If it's loud or it's not good, so we'll change it. Don't worry. Okay, where is the iron webcam? Iron, whatever. Iron, uh, iron webcam. Let it sync. Hello again. Okay, I think there's some jitters or something, right? It's moving a little bit slow. Let me just reconnect. Yeah, and that phone just restarted, so it will take time. 53 skills added already. Oh, it's still a little bit laggy. I'm not sure with the connection. Or... Yeah, it's okay. If it's so much laggy, I'll maybe. Okay, now it's better because it's running with Wi-Fi. It's just sending signal to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi sending to then the system and so on. All right. Alright, so the current status is, of course, we have added some more skills that are required. Database, I think that's enough. Drizzle, GraphQL, MongoDB, Neon, Postgres, Prisma, architecture, Superbase, Redis. Yeah, I think that is going to be more than enough. This needs also putting this SVG it created. Let's check the NVM package. It's going to ask for key again, so I'll just copy it. Publish 1.3 already. I think there are too many versions, right? If I'm not wrong, I'll just maybe reduce and the versions here. Two days ago, that means yesterday no one downloaded. Okay, no issues also reported, that is also okay. Versal ASTK it's doing. Well, if it's writing Versal, I think Coolify is also writing, right? Coolify self-hosted. Okay, got it. Drizzle done, better auth, I think not done, right? Or done. Versal towing, MCP server builder towing. All right. Hello. Those who joined maybe right now. If you want to go ahead and introduce yourself in the chat, please feel free. So, okay, great. So maybe in 2-3 days, then or maybe in a day or two, we'll start working on the lean cloud thing as well. So maybe in 2-3 days, then there were some good videos people posted that are just giving away some few tips and tricks to maximize the token usage. So I think I'm going to study that as well and add some my 1 year experience with cloud code as well. Okay, then I'll just combine it and then we'll add in the repository so that everyone can benefit. And let's reduce the revenue for Anthropic, if you are listening, sorry. You're already number one, right? You already surpassed OpenAI in revenue, so yeah. Well and great. Cloud code, everyone is saying. I've been using uh, since May or June last year. If you don't believe me, I have screenshots of all the bill I have paid. All right. Turn it on. Master worked 49. Need npm toolkits when ready. Take it. If it's say this token has been used multiple times, I'm going to be very furious here. Does it say it is one time token? No, right? It's valid for 30 days, so use it multiple times, right? What is your problem? Yeah, see, it has 1 month validity, so just use it multiple times. when I require it, I'll just after we have significant improvement or addition, then only just put the version. I'm not going to revoke it now. Mm-hmm. The battery for my fill light is also about to go off. Holy, today's every gadgets don't want to be with me. See 2.2 without even 1.1 significant developments. It just created 2.2. On what basis it just moved to 2.2? Man, that translation agent is really slow. More than 7 minutes it took just for one. All right. All right. All right. Also explain why you named it 2.2 in the first place. What is the logic behind it? It wasn't we were just adding skills, right? Necessary. So why did it feel the need to just Mm-hmm. I'm going to unpublish the package. I don't see it. I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. Mm-hmm. It's live on in just takes 1 to 2 minutes per create. Okay. Let me check the repo and everything, right? Uh, do some SEO. Plan this out first. Anyone here using Cloud Code with OpenAI API? It gives unpredictable results sometimes, even with 5.5 GPT. I think they have that in set in the Cloud Code coding to some competitions. Yeah, if you don't ask, if you give full liberty and it will just ask you to right away edit and for the plan, it will go crazy. Let's always ask it to plan and then approve and then edit something. If you want, then only ask it to start developing. Okay, the definitive knowledge. Why mention that we have 63 skills here, right? Who is counting skills, right? If they require, so they could be 100 more skills, right? But no one is using 100 skills at a time. I hope so. If someone is using, let me know in the chat or just let me know. What I have seen over the LinkedIn, everyone is talking about Cloud Code, but they are just giving very basic guides or something, and then they are just on their workflow they are thinking that they are the king of the world. That should not be the norm, right? I think after our repo is updated, then we'll call it a day. The npm package is more SEO optimized than our I'll just, while we are here, I'll just revoke the access to this as well. npm is non-profit, right? The organization, if I'm not wrong. United States of America, npm JavaScript. See, their packages CLI is having less charge than most of today's. That's surprising. Maybe because no one is going to their repo and seeing things. All right. I read it. MCP server would be for your research is very crucial then, right? Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay. Come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay. Come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge. Okay, come on guys, subscribe. Let's see the cost. I'm pretty sure it's above $20-30. I think because of the rate surge.
We'll work on the we'll work on the we'll work on 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 we'll work